Hey guys, I'm Sebastian, host of Ninth Island Connection, but you know that already because you're watching this video and you're on our channel. So if this is your first time here, or if you've been here before and you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe. It really helps us out and it doesn't cost you anything at all. The algorithm brought you here because you're interested in Vegas content. And that's all that we do on this channel. We do pools, food, restaurants, hotel room reviews, hotel property reviews, everything so that you can have the best possible time while you're here in Vegas. So we're here at the Golden Nugget. This is room 1051 in the Carson Tower. Now we stayed in the Carson Tower once before in 2018 and it looks the same. But we have stayed in the Spa Tower in a 2-story suite. We've stayed in the Rush Tower a couple of times and we decided let's check out the Carson Tower because we haven't stayed here in so long. Instant regret. I'm going to tell you right now, the room is fine, but compared to the Rush Tower and the Spa Tower, this is like going to 1995. So right here, you're in the entryway. As soon as you walk in, it's just a big empty space. There's no light, which is why it looks so dark. And then you have your closet right next to it. I mean, talk about 1985, guys. That's your safe. You do have extra tissue, I guess, up in the closet. Ironing board, hair dryer, and 5 hangers. Then right next to that is the bathroom. I'm going to let you guys go in because there's not enough room for 2 people in here. Nobody can open the door while you're using the toilet because it will bang your knees. And then you've got this old-timey counter to the right. And the sink is dripping. There is a drip there. Thankfully, we can't hear it from the bedroom. And then you've got this, and you can see all the rust from here, right around the faucet. It looks like they painted it with house paint or the lacquer, whatever the glossy stuff has just peeled off. But at least you have some soap and body wash. So there's that. Let's check out the rest of the room. Watch your knees over here. Let's go. Then you've got this thing here. Yeah, you got a little stool. And that's the rest of the room, guys. Over here, you've got your TV. Thankfully, it's not an analog TV because I'd be expecting like a floor model or something with antennas and like aluminum foil on it, or maybe you have to bang it. But you've got a flat screen, and you know what? Plenty of room for your stuff in here. 4 drawers. Yeah. Oh, make sure they all close. Oh, hold on now. This is it. And that's got to be out a little bit too to catch it. No. We will not be using this dresser. That I can tell you because that is irritating. And then you've got some chairs over here. You do get 4 bottles of water complimentary. That's very nice because it's very hot right now. The stuff here, sit down, have a cup of coffee. Except there's no refrigerator and there is no coffee pot. We always bring our own. If you watch our room tours, we bring our own coffee pot and we always bring a soft-sided cooler just in case. And we have that with us now, which is a good thing.
Las Vegas Advisor essentially is a club for people who love Vegas, who want to come here and get more out of the town. We have deals on food. We have 2-for-1s, BOGOs, that sort of thing. We have deals on drinks. We have deals on shows. We have deals on gambling.
Head over to ninthislandconnection.com, click Save Money, and enter code NIC at checkout to save 10%. And then back here, you've got the bed, which actually seems pretty comfortable, and it's massive. So this is definitely going to be comfortable. You've got this thing up here. Not sure why, because there's no light fixture or anything back there. But yeah, I mean, you got a nightstand on each side. I do like at least that you've got a modern charging port here with some USB ports, and there's even a C-type right there, which is nice. And these guys here, so you can leave your extension cord at home. More storage. That one stayed closed. They also provide 2 pairs of earplugs. And then you've got just empty space, and you've got this giant air conditioner. I mean, look at this thing. But you know what? It's working overtime. It's 115 in Vegas right now. This thing is doing its thing, but watch your knees. And then this guy. A view of the parking lot. I'm actually going to close this all the way down. Whew, it's hot. All right, guys, so there you have it. One king in the Carson Tower, room 1050. We want to hear from you guys. Have you guys stayed in the Carson Tower? Have you stayed in the Rush? Have you stayed in the Spa? Which is your favorite? I can, for one, tell you we will not be booking the Carson Tower again because we've stayed in the other ones, and these seem to have been forgotten about completely. But it was $66 all in. That's resort fee included, tax included, and parking included. $66. So not a bad deal. And we're only here for one night down on Fremont Street. So we wanted to come down here anyway to get some other content. And you know what? 66 bucks is about what it would cost us round trip to do a ride share down here and back home. So we figured we might as well just do it and spend the night because we're really not going to be in the room at all other than to sleep. If we were staying here for multiple nights, we would not book this room. I can tell you that right now. But we're going to hear from you guys. Let us know your thoughts in the comments. And if you made it this far, go ahead and subscribe. You watched the whole video. Give this video a like if you found it of any use at all. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you next time.
Ninth Island Connection highlights Las Vegas businesses, entertainment, events, and activities on and off the Strip, keeping our viewers connected with the Ninth Island of Las Vegas. From local mom and pop restaurants to those owned and operated by top chefs, from kitchen action to the inspiration behind the dishes, we deliver the culinary creations of Vegas. From Las Vegas entertainers and athletes to all of the exciting activities and experiences around the Vegas Valley, we keep our viewers connected with all of the excitement that the entertainment capital of the world has to offer. Of course, we can't forget about the casinos that make Vegas, Vegas, with exclusive tours of the incredible amenities and beautiful accommodations, getting right in the heart of the casino floor action and entertainment, as well as interviews with casino owners, CEOs, GMs, and executive chefs. We bring the Las Vegas Casino into our viewers' homes. Highlighting lesser-known areas like the Fremont East District, the Arts District, and Brewery Row, we bring attention to these small businesses that have become fast favorites in the local community. We bring our viewers a complete Vegas experience. We also invite our viewers along as we venture into the great outdoors of the Las Vegas Valley, sharing short road trips, hikes, and the unique sights found in the Mojave Desert. Great people, great stories, great connections, only on Ninth Island Connection.